Hi, how are you? I think you are all great, okay, till now. And I'm also fine. I am Mahmud Shamim, and I'm going to tell you today it's all about get. And I will discuss today get expressions with some sentences, okay? So, let's get started. Number one, get in the news, which is so important, okay? Here, get I use here this is imperative sentence, okay. I will discuss today some imperative sentence by using get, okay. So first of all, we have to know the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means comment, request, advice, okay. And imperative sentence always starts with verb, okay. And I show you the verb first, okay. I will use here. And first sentence would be get in the news, which is so important. Get in the news means what, okay. This is so standard language in spoken English, and the formal language might be give in the news, okay. Give in the news, which is so important. Except this, we will use get in the news, which is so important, okay. In spoken language especially, first one we will use, okay. The next sentence might be get informed first and inform the details of it. So get informed first means you have to be confirmed first, okay. You have to be confirmed first about the news, and I think inform the details of it. And next one, get yourself from bad boys, okay. So this is also I use here get. This also imperative sentence, okay. Number four, get in the car. We are almost late to go to cinema. So get in the car means enter into the car, okay. So we will not use in spoken language, okay, enter into the car. We will use here get in the car. This is also standard, okay. That's why we will use. Number five, get out from the room. So get out means go out from the room, okay. So we also use get out from the room. This is very standard, okay. And which is especially used in our spoken language. Number six, get the thief and call the police immediately, okay. So get the thief means this phrase what. So get the thief means catch. So we can say that catch the thief and call the police immediately. So we will not use catch here. The standard base, the language should be get the thief and call the police immediately, okay. Number seven, get the news and inform the matters, okay, accordingly. So get the news. So you have to be confirm first, okay, about the news or informations, and then inform the matters accordingly, okay. So I want to write some sentence and I will discuss about it, okay. So number 8, he gets really tired of hard working. He gets really tired of hard working. He gets really tired of hard working. That means to become bored of something or some reason. Tired of. Okay. Here I use gets. I use get. Okay. So this is third person singular number. When when we will use third person singular number, and verb should be present form, and we will use s, okay, with present form. So he gets really tired of hard working. That means to become bored of something or some reason. The next sentence, number 9. I'm getting tired of. I am getting tired of hearing you harsh words. Hearing you harsh words. So, tired of hearing, getting tired of hearing your harsh words. That means to become bored of something or some reason, like that. First sentence. Okay. So I'd like to write one sentence more to understand properly. Okay. The theater is getting dark. Number 10. The theater is getting dark. Is getting dark. Okay. The theater is getting dark. Is getting dark. That means to become dark. Okay. So when we use get in our daily conversation, we have to understand the correct meaning of the get. Okay. And I think after that you can use. Okay. Next sentence would be Maria is getting better at dancing. Is getting better at dancing. Is getting better means what? To become successful one. Okay. Or recover from something. So we mean it is getting better at dancing. So next sentence would be, for better understanding, get help to integrate the project. Get help to integrate the project. Get help. Okay. This is also a imperative sentence. Okay. When we use verb first of the sentence, and this is mean I think imperative sentence. And imperative sentence, I already told you, means request, comment, and advice. Okay. Also means permission. So when you use get first, and it should be imperative, and the subject would be silent here. Subject would be invisible here. So when a subject in front of the sentence is invisible, so we call it imperative sentence. So we knew about imperative sentence. Okay. And imperative verb. And for better understanding, I will write more sentence. Okay, please. So the next sentence is, get your child school quickly. Get your child school quickly. The class almost starts. The class almost starts. Okay. So get your child school quickly. Get your child means So we could use here take. Take your child. Take your child school quickly. So we will not use take. This is totally formal, and I think a formal language is naturally is not used in our spoken language. Okay, so informal language and should be standard, and we will use it every time. So get your child to school quickly. So first of all, I'd like to tell you, you so you should set up your mind first, okay, and then try to use get in your sentence and in your daily conversation. Okay, next sentence would be, did you get my email? Did you get my email? email So this sentence, okay, look at this. This sentence is normal, and normal sense. Naturally, I got this paper. Okay, I will get this paper. I got this paper, and uh, please, uh, yeah, this is a normal sense and a normal sentence. And did you get my email? This is, I think, everybody can use this sentence. Did you get my email? So get used here is a normal sense, not in a complex mode. When we will use get in our spoken language or spoken language, so get should be standard form, and naturally formal language we will not use in our spoken. So for standards base we will use the informal language. Okay, so last sentence for better understanding, I got this computer. I got this computer. Okay, just last month. Just last month. Just last month. Okay, just last month. So in normal sense, okay, I got this computer last month. Here, get get has a different meaning. So I use it normally, and we use get when using our spoken language normally. So get has a different meaning in that time. Okay, so my friends, today I discussed uh, get expressions with some sentences for your better understanding. When and I have discussed about get when used before sentence without subject. It is imperative verb and imperative sentence I have discussed today. I think it will help you to improve yourself, how to how to use get in your spoken language, and how its expressions. I think you could understand properly. Okay, so so my friends, next time I will give you more informations regarding gets regarding get in my next videos. So please subscribe my channel so that you might get um, many informations with new videos, and click on the bell icon so that you could when I upload, okay, when I will upload new videos, you will see. Okay, and you can see. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you are well, and but you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And the message for you: respect your mom and dad, because they're your guardians, and respect your superiors, respect your neighbors. I think it will help you to be honest person. Bye bye for now. Take care.